Welcome to the research world. Hello, if you are going to draw bar charts like this video is for you. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to make or draw the clustered bar chart in the Microsoft Excel. So how to do it? Let's follow the steps. For example, this is the sales data for a particular product covering various months and the different regions. So let's draw the clustered bar chart for this data. First of all, go to the Insert tab, then click on the Insert column or bar chart, and then select the clustered column. Now right-click in this chart and select the Select Data. Now, first of all, you need to select the series data that would show on the Y-axis. So click on this Add button. Firstly, give the name of the series. The name of the series, for example, North, this is the first series, that is the Y-axis. Then click below and select Values. Click OK. Then again, click Add button, select the series name that it is South, and select the values. Click Add again and follow the same steps for remaining. Now add values on the horizontal X-axis. Click on the Edit option, select these data and press OK. So you can see that our clustered bar chart have been drawn automatically. You can select the different designs for bar charts in the Design tab. So hopefully this video will help you in drawing and making the bar charts.